Kia ora boys, and welcome to this quick run through on what you need to do for this quest hyperdoc. So we're moving into understanding how to look at our two new rubrics, and the first of which is the research rubric. Now there are 4 key skills, and there'll be 4 of these hyperdocs that allow you to do really effective research. So what we're focusing on this quest is this part of research skills, and that is asking really good focus questions to drive your research in the right direction. Okay, so to set it into our game universe, the ability to get the right answer is only half the battle. You must first know the question to ask in order to begin finding information needed for an answer. Port Holdfast has many challenges, and asking the right questions will lead you to a solution and help you earn your place in the town. So if you're in class, you can grab your captain's log to grab your rubrics out. But in this case, you're going to be filling in the slides, so not a template. And if you're at home, just go through all the slides as normal. So first things I want you to do is have a read of these. And if you've never asked a focus question before, you're probably down here. But I just want you to pick which of the solo levels you feel you're at. Okay, and I've put some examples for the tougher ones up here. If you think you're really good at asking questions, and I know there's a few of you in the class that are, please put which level you think you're at. Just drag it into this box. Real simple first slide. We then have a couple of videos. So I want you to watch these in any order. If you've done the quest Holy Spirit, you've already completed this one. So you won't need to watch it again, but just look at these 3. Have a quick watch, so no more than sort of, I think 8 minutes is the longest one. So just spend a bit of time learning some stuff there. Then all you need to do is pick one video and summarize it, what it was about. Okay, so a real simple summary there. Some key points, what you learnt, a couple of interesting facts and so on. Now, I want you to look at that question. What was your video about back here? What was this about? And I want you to think, was that a good question? If it was, put what solo level you think it is. If it wasn't, again, maybe one of these down here, and put that into their place. So just to see if I can look at your thinking and if it's along the right tracks. Then I want you to go through and make some questions about one of the other videos. So not the one you summarized, one of the other videos. 3 focus questions that sort of spark something in you. Something specific that is, you'd like to research more yourself. Okay, so 3 little questions there. Then I want you to grade them, okay? You can definitely think of 3 questions in those videos, I promise you. And then grade those 3 questions that you've just written by dragging in the solo symbols for me there as well. Then I just want you to pick one. Maybe it's the one that you weren't too great, didn't write very well, and just rewrite it. And then have a crack at answering it using some research techniques that you may know. And finally, I want you to click on this image below and a link will pop up, and I just want you to fill that self-reflection in for me, please. And there you have it. Okay, today you'll be receiving 100 XP for completing this and a loot roll, which means you get to roll for some random loot for this task. So make sure all the slides are filled in, you've answered all the tasks. Make sure your captain's log self-reflection is submitted through the Google form, and then make sure you turn this task in on Google Classroom. And there you have it. You've completed this quest. Thank you for doing that. I hope this video just clarified what I'm expecting on each of the slides. I'll catch you in class.